been a source of regret to me that since this government was elected and officially nominated, that you've taken a very divisive approach to COVID-19, and you've always sought to exploit the pandemic for political and electoral ends, and I regret to have to say that, but it is absolutely clear. The hallmark of your position from the outset has been running with the hare and hunting with the hound. And you've undermined NPHET advice at different stages of the pandemic, calling for pubs to be open in advance of any advice, then rushing to get the airports closed, and then rushing to get them opened again. It's been the classic presentation from you from the get-go. But I want to keep this in perspective. If you look at where we are now, connectivity has reopened. Travel is happening in and out of the country. Hospitality has reopened. Personal services have reopened. The sports events have reopened. Schools, construction, childcare have all reopened at a time when we have 4,500 cases now a day. And that is now the challenge. As we move through different phases of the pandemic, we have to assess what is the most appropriate response to that increased socialisation. Thousands of people have been brought back to work because of a very effective and successful vaccination programme that you lack the generosity of spirit to acknowledge. That is a fact, and the people have stood up and were counted by coming forward and getting vaccinated. But the vaccines are waning. That's a global phenomenon. And there will be need for a booster campaign, and up to 400,000 people, close to it, have already received the booster vaccine. Now, I don't know, Deputy, whether it's your position that we should just simply upend the process we have for recommending the use of vaccines. Because are you saying to me that the advisory processes we have should be put to one side? If so, please say it. And just don't do this kind of generalisation attacking government because it suits you on each and every occasion.